Hey guys, Vegas Dave back at you from Las Vegas. Just moved back here from the East Coast. So good to be back in Vegas. I was here for 21 years and then left for 10 and come back. Today we're going to do an unboxing and assembly of the Blackstone 36-inch hood. Our 36-inch grill with the hood and the front tray accessories. These are available at Lowe's, I know. And they're right at $500. And I've always wanted one of these. So let's see how it turns out. And there's some assembly required, of course, but it's nothing major compared to some grills I've had where you have to assemble everything, the burners and all that. That's all pre-assembled. Here's a little more unboxing. Very tidy. Okay, as you can see, the hood's one big piece. Here's the wheels. And these are probably trays or something, I'm not sure. Side trays, yeah. And we get over here and then we have the box with all the little goodies in it. Knobs, everything. Like I said, it's not hard to put together because it just doesn't require that much assembly, and we're still digging out of there. And as you can see, right out of the box, the burners are all there and all installed. Some grills you have to do that yourself, and that's no fun getting it right. All right, here we are. We got this out, as you can see. It's just got some handles and stuff left, and the big cast iron griddle sits right over this. And you know, that's empty. We're moving right along. See, Brandon over here is just connecting this up. Okay, as you can see, he's got both leg series set up, and this plate will go right up there next. And here we go. Getting closer and closer. Of course, a special thanks to the German Shepherd here and the Labrador over here for their great support and help in this deal. Here we are. He set the main body, that's with the burners, upside down on the floor, so he can put the legs and the bottom shelf on. Here we are coming back up this way with it. And we'll see what's in here. Here's your burners and everything. And now we're pulling off the big grill. I'll have a video on how you season this too. And probably a short one on, you know, taste and stuff initially soon too. But I've wanted one of these for a long time. It just never worked out. So I'm glad it finally did. And he'll secure that in there. Got the knobs on the front now too. And there it is on. See that hole in the back there? That's for the grease and water and whatever scrape it right out through there and into a disposable container. And here, I don't know if you can see this, but you put in a disposable tray in there and your grease and stuff comes off, and you can take this off and that and dump it and be done with it. The propane bottle is going to set right in there and hang from right there. It's real convenient. And it's got on the sides, it's got these hooks for holding, your utensils or whatever. The wheels all have locks, and there it is put together. Just need to throw the gas tank on, and if you want to lift the top up, there you go. That's a lot. There's my hand. Where am I at? There's my hand, fully open. See how big that is? So, I'm going to make a video on how to season this properly. That's actually fun. And that'll be up for, that. And then I'll probably put, after I've had a couple meals off of it, a review of what it tastes like. But all right, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for the absentees a while. I was in the hospital a long time last year. But I'm all good, and that's it for this video. Please share and subscribe.